If you decided to take a break on Instagram and deactivate your account, it's super easy to reactivate it if you're ready to jump back in and start using Instagram. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that on my iPhone, but it works the exact same on an Android as well. Now on here, you can see I'm on the last step of deactivating my account. So I'm going to tap on Deactivate Account. And then after it's done that, I'll show you how to just reactivate it whenever you want. Keep in mind, deactivating your account does not delete it. So after I've deactivated it, let's open up the Instagram app here. You can see it defaults to my other account. So let's switch over to the deactivated account and reactivate it. Tap on your profile at the top right, or bottom right rather. Let's tap on those three lines. And from here, I'm just going to choose to log out of this account and hit log out. Now, keep in mind, you won't need to do this if you don't have another account. Now, let's just tap on use another profile. And from here, I'm going to autofill my information. You can see Trevor Nace here, and I'm going to use my Face ID to autofill and log in. After I've logged into my Instagram account, you can see it will go through the process of automatically reactivating it. I can tap on my profile here and swipe down to refresh, and you can see just by logging in, I have reactivated everything and it's all back to the exact same as before I deactivated it. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thank you for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I hope to catch you on the next one.